If you are experiencing pressure errors or you're getting the following error codes during testing, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Troubleshooting tip number 1, verify your latest software version is 2.3. To do that, let's go to our System Settings menu. We'll go to About, and there we'll see our system version is at 2.25. To get the latest firmware updates, you can visit us at flukebiomedical.com and download IDA-6 Software Update 2.3. Software version 2.3 will fix about 75% of your errors when related to pressure errors. If you continue to see these errors, then we can go into manually cleaning each pump with a cleaning solution. Cleaning instructions for the IDA-6. With the IDA-6 placed vertical and the channels pointing towards the ceiling, you want to take your syringe full of glass cleaning solution and luer lock it on the pump. Once luer locked on your pump, you want to force down. Now remember, you're not forcing the solution all the way through the pump. You're putting some pressure on the pump, and then you're drawing back on the syringe to remove some air. Now you want to do this process about 20 times. That way you remove air from the pump, allowing a little bit of solution to go into the pump. You can do all 4 channels about 20 times per channel, up and down, getting the solution into the pump. After all 4 channels are done, very important, let it soak for 1 hour. After an hour soak time, your IDA-6 pumps are ready to be flushed. So turned over, the unit's powered on. I've connected my syringe full of distilled water, and now I'm simply just going to flush the water through the channel, making sure that everything just flushes out. I'll even look at the measure function. And here you can hear the water going through the pump. You can even record the value. Now it's important, I have my tubing connected to the back of the pump and I have it run into a bag. It's important that you do that. If not, while you're flushing, the water will flush all over your table. So connect your tubing in the back and continue to flush. Flush your whole syringe and then repeat that process into all 4 channels. That's troubleshooting tips for the IDA-6 pumps. Thank you for watching.